Hey, what's going on, everybody? So you guys know my name is Yusef Scott, also referred to as the Forex GOAT. I want to welcome you guys to the sodarneasyforex movement. Now listen, as I always tell you guys, very thankful to have you guys here. I've realized you guys can be anywhere in the world, but you're here right now watching this video, so I want to thank you. Now listen, as always, if you're not yet connected with me on social media, that's my Facebook, my Instagram channel, you want to make sure you get connected. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, get subscribed. Now listen, this video is going to be very exciting because I know a lot of you have watched my latest video I put out on the USD Turkish Lira. A lot of you follow me on social media, you follow me everywhere on the internet, and you guys have seen the damage that I've done in the Forex market. So I've gotten a lot of requests about showing you guys why is it that I got into this trade and explaining more so than showing you guys the profit, explaining how and why I got into the market. Now I told you guys in a recent video that it's the why as to why you should be trading Forex, not just getting into the market, but knowing why you're getting into any trade. Alright, so I'm going to explain this to you guys. As you guys see, you guys look at this chart, you guys will notice on the daily chart, the market between the 20th and the 27th, it fell into, as I tell my students, a punk form of consolidation, where the market was just bouncing, just hovering around. All right, and the market stayed there. You guys notice the market, it created wicks up top, but at the bottom, at the 596 level, the market remained stabilized. The market did not want to break that level. All right, now whether or not you guys know, the overall momentum was going up. Okay, and that's something that I pay attention to a whole lot. You guys have to know I'm a long-term trader. All right, and then when I look at the market from a long-term perspective, at least the USD Turkish Lira, the momentum was still going up. All right, now a lot of you may not know this because you're not a student, but based on the perfect entry strategy, which helped me get into the market, and then based on the standard trade strategy, which allowed me to see that the market was going to still go up, I was able to get into that market. And a couple of days later, the market soared. Okay, the market shot up. Okay, now whether or not you guys know, in any instance when the market goes up or down, it will become either overbought or oversold, which is why the market pulled back. Okay, on Friday the market pulled back hard. Okay, and then the market went back up. Now it went back up to around the level where the market closed on Thursday. Just to let you guys know, for me, from a logical standpoint, it wasn't done. Okay, and that's why the market you see today, it's going up. The market just cooled off on Friday. It went down to fake people out and pulled back. You know, it started off going up, it pulled back, and it came right back up. All right. Now, for some of you, like I told you in the previous video, some of you jumped in on Friday because you saw the profit that was made on Thursday based on the video. You guys jumped in without thinking. Some of you jumped in going long, you lost. Some of you even got in going south because you saw the momentum of the move of the market going down, but the market pulled right back up and went right back up and wiped you out. One thing you guys have to realize is that with this pair, it's a very volatile pair. The volume on this pair is quite expansive. So you have to make sure that you have deep pockets for this pair, or you make sure that you're able to withstand the market pulling back quite hard, quite heavily. All right. So what that will mean is you got to make sure you have the strength in your account. You cannot be trading with a $500 account trading at $5. It's not going to work. This market will wipe you out in just a mere blink of an eye. I'm telling you. You have to make sure that you're trading with a nice size account, and you have to make sure that you're trading at a volume that will allow you to withstand the market pulling back. Now, trading $500, come on now, you can't be trading at $5. It's 100 pips is not going to allow you to withstand the market pulling back. All right, so basically what allowed me to withstand or trade this pair, how did I know this trade was going up? It's because logically it showed me that there was a wall at the 596 level. It It didn't want to break that level. The overall move was still going up. There was nothing that showed me that the market was going to go down. Nothing. Because the market had already gone up. The market had pulled back and it leveled out. It didn't show that it wanted to go any further down beyond the 596 level. So because of that logic, I knew that it was time to take the market back up. And that's what the market did. Now, although Friday the market pulled back some and it went back up, the market did not go down any farther than pretty much where the market was at, where it left off on Thursday. Even at that wick, the market pulled back on Thursday. Friday the market went up, came down, went back up, and leveled out pretty much where it closed off on Thursday. And what did today's market do? Today's market is going up as if it never happened. Now, allowing yourself to have that cushion up or down, you see, will allow you to withstand the market in its turbulence, or the market in its, I guess, the range from the high to the low. Now, this is something that you guys will have to learn. It comes with practice. It comes with just timing. The perfect entry strategy, along with the stay in your trade strategy, will allow you to withstand will allow you to get into the market and allow you to withstand the market's turbulence. All right, just thought I would break this down to you guys. If you guys look at, if you guys look at the USD Turkish Lira pair, if you guys look at the daily chart, you will see that the market, the momentum is still going up. You'll see that even the pullback on Friday was nothing more than a fake out to get people to buy into the pressure of the market going down. And then what they did was they reversed it and sent it back up as if it never happened. And if you're trading too heavy, you're going to get wiped out every time. All right? Just wanted to break this down to you guys because this is a fantastic trade. If you guys know what you're doing, this is what I teach my students. The stay in your trade strategy will allow you to realize when it's time to get out the market and when it's best to stay in. And it's that simple. All right? Hopefully this video made sense to you guys. I know this was requested. It was something that was requested from a lot of people. This is not something that I do all the time because I have a lot of videos online that shows me explaining the charts. I do a lot of this for my students because a lot of this detailed explanations is for those who are students, and I have to make sure that the value is within my student base. All right, very simple. It's just the way that it is. All right, you guys have a fantastic day as always. If you guys are not yet connected with me on social media, it's my Facebook, my Instagram. You want to get connected. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, get subscribed. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.